Hello and welcome to the Milo Minute. I'm going to show you what I have installed in my engine bay. I'll also have another video coming up soon showing how I did it. Nothing too crazy technical, but highly convenient. And well, the light from it is helping me out. So let's check this out. Okay, if you can barely see that, that is the back of the Vanagon. If you're always rifling around, you'll need like a flashlight or something. I installed this. Sweet! It's a little LED light bar. Got my little rocker switch right there. And now I can see everything. That is awesome. Highly recommend you do that. And that's all for the Milo Minute, but I do recommend some sort of addition like this to your van. Makes your life a little easier.